In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create digital stickers to sell on Etsy. If you're looking to dive into the world of creating and selling digital products, digital stickers are a fantastic and creative option. Not only are they fun to make, but they also offer a great way to express your artistic talents and potentially earn some income. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First things first, you'll need to design your stickers using a preferred design software. Canva is a popular choice because it's user-friendly and offers a wide range of tools and templates. Once you open your design editor, start a new project by clicking on the Create button. This will allow you to start from scratch or choose from the available templates that suit your style. Remember, the key here is creativity. Think about the themes or messages you want to convey with your stickers, whether it's motivational quotes, cute animals, or trendy icons. After clicking Create, you'll be prompted to select your preferred sticker style. This choice is crucial as it sets the tone for your sticker pack. Will it be colorful and vibrant or minimalist and sleek? Once your design is complete, ensure that you save your work. Saving your file in a high-resolution format, such as PNG, is essential as it maintains the quality of your sticker when resized by customers. Now that your stickers are ready, it's time to list them on Etsy. Head over to your Etsy shop and prepare to upload your digital sticker files. When posting your product, be sure to provide detailed and enticing descriptions. Highlight the uniqueness of your stickers, mention any special features, and include keywords that potential buyers might use when searching for digital stickers. This will enhance the visibility of your products on Etsy's search engine. Additionally, it's important to set a competitive price for your stickers. Research similar products on Etsy to understand the market rate, but also consider the time and effort you put into creating your designs. Once you've finalized your listing, upload your sticker files and publish the listing on your shop. And there you have it. You're now ready to share your creative designs with the world. Remember, selling on Etsy is not just about the initial listing. It's also about maintaining engagement with your customers. Respond to their inquiries promptly, request feedback, and continually update your shop with fresh designs to keep your offerings exciting. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on creating digital stickers for Etsy. I hope this guide inspires you to start your own sticker collection and take your first steps into online selling. Good luck with your creative journey and happy designing!